The mole. What is a mole? In chemistry, the mole is a measure of amount of substance. A mole is a particular mass of that substance. You can use such expressions as a mole of copper sulfate crystals, a mole of oxygen gas, 0.1 mole of zinc oxide, or 3 moles of magnesium. The abbreviation for mole is mol, M-O-L, without the E. When we want to write a shortcut for mole, we remove the E, M-O-L. You find the mass of 1 mole of a substance in the following way. So to find the mass of 1 mole of a specific substance, we use this way. We work out the relative formula mass and attach the units, which is in grams. So we find the relative formula mass of the compound we have, and the unit will be in grams or G. To obtain the mass of 1 mole, we'll take an example. Working out the masses of a mole of substance. The first example is 1 mole of oxygen gas, O2. First, we'll obtain the mass of oxygen. We said before to find the mass, we should find the relative formula mass and put the units grams. So 1 mole of oxygen gas, O2, its relative atomic mass is 16. So to obtain the relative formula mass, we multiply the relative atomic mass with the number of atoms of oxygen. Oxygen has 2 atoms, so we multiply 2 by 16 to get 32. So the relative formula mass of oxygen is 32. Then we should put the unit, which is in grams. So 1 mole of oxygen, O2, weighs 32 grams. So we just take the relative formula mass of oxygen and put grams next to it. So this is how we find the mass of 1 mole of oxygen gas.